Hi, it's really a challenge to find the best products that can be deserving of your hard-earned money. It may be easier when you have a reliable source like our channel. Actually, our team reviewed a lot of products, analyzed endless reviews from the actual users, and made our rankings based on many factors, such as price, quality, durability, performance, and the reputation of the manufacturer. If you choose from this list, you can be sure that you're buying one of the best products. You can see their latest prices and find out more information about these products by using the links below in the description. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Are you looking for the best upholstery brushes in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best upholstery brushes. Starting at number 5, we have the DrillBrush Car Clean Kit. With 4 different brushes, this kit makes it easy to clean large sections, irregular areas, and tough stains. It includes a 4-inch round brush, a 5-inch round brush, a full brush, and a detail brush. Each brush features durable, soft bristles which remove grime but won't scratch thinner upholstery. Additionally, all brushes feature 1/4-inch steel shafts for quick connection to any standard power drill. This kit is a great choice if you want to clean large areas quickly. The 5-inch round brush connected to a drill can quickly clean an entire backseat or carpeted trunk area. Moving on at number 4, we have the Colourlock Leather and Textile Cleaning Brush. This brush is a bit different from some of the others we've reviewed today in that it's designed specifically for use on leather upholstery. So it's a great choice if you're a little worried about scraping and scratching your pristine leather interior with a hard brush. Its bristles are made from natural yet durable fibers which are stiff enough to remove ingrained dirt and marks from pigmented leather, but gentle enough not to scratch and scuff. It's also really great for dusting plastic and vinyl interiors. This German-made brush also has a stylish look of quality with its attractive wooden handle. Considering its quality and design, it's surprising how little this brush costs. You can pick one up for under $10. At number 3, we have the NonScratch Scrub Brush from So Clean So Fast. With an effective combination of both power and sensitivity, this brush has a steel section molded directly into the top for attaching a drill. You can turn your brush into a high-speed super scrubber. It's recommended for use with a lightweight, cordless drill with a keyless chuck of at least 1/4 inch or longer. The white bristle brush has a 5-inch diameter, which is large enough for seats and trunks but still small enough to be easy to maneuver. It's roughly the texture and stiffness of a toothbrush. Unlike many drill-powered brushes, this one is soft enough to use on microfiber upholstery, leather, fiberglass, tubs and more. At number 2, we have the Mother's Carpet and Upholstery Brush. Originally a California-based manufacturer of car polish, Mother's has grown into a car care empire. Although their carpet and upholstery brush isn't packed with fancy features, it's a dependable and easy-to-use choice for keeping your car's interior clean. The bristles are stiff enough to remove tough stains but still soft enough to avoid scratching more delicate material like the back of seats. Additionally, the hourglass shape of the brush is easy and comfortable to hold, even at odd angles. A soft rubber covering protects hands and allows for a secure grip. And finally at number 1, we have the Relentless Drive Upholstery Brush. Keep the inside of your car clean and spotless with this stiff bristled brush from Relentless Drive. It's versatile enough to handle every piece of upholstery, including cloth fabric, heavy carpets, seat covers, and more. It has a comfortable, ergonomic handle which allows for precise maneuverability even in tight corners. The handle section has a comfortable rubber coating, which is easy to grip even if your hands are wet. Try before you buy. Relentless Drive offers a no questions asked return policy. Overall, it's a well-made, durable, and comfortable brush able to clean all the upholstery in just about any type of vehicle. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure like, comment, subscribe.